Ever wondered what's happening in the stock world? Today we're focusing on First Solar Inc., a leading player in the solar industry. Let's take a quick glance at their second quarter results. The company saw a stunning 537.4% year-on-year increase in earnings per share, landing at $2.04 per share. Not only that, but their revenue also rose by a solid 40% year-on-year to an impressive $892.3 million. But the good news doesn't stop there. First Solar exceeded expectations, both in terms of earnings per share and revenue. They've even forecasted a rise for the year. The first half of 2023 has indeed showcased First Solar's strong performance. First Solar is not just about numbers. Their achievements and manufacturing aspects are noteworthy. In the first half of this year, they've made significant strides, including the successful production and delivery of their Series 7 modules. But that's not all. They've also made a strategic acquisition that has further solidified their leadership position in the thin-film photovoltaic, or PV sector. Now let's talk about their manufacturing prowess. First Solar is investing a whopping $1.1 billion into a new U.S. manufacturing facility. And they're not wasting any time, folks. They plan to have this facility up and running by 2026. Their growth targets for the same year are ambitious, aiming for 14 gigawatts in the US and 25 gigawatts globally. With their strengths in cadmium telluride or CadTel technology, localized supply chains, and unwavering commitment to responsible solar, First Solar is shaping the future of solar technology. Let's dive deeper into First Solar's key achievements, facility insights, and their stance on policy matters. In the second quarter of this year, they had net bookings of almost 9 gigawatts and produced 2.4 gigawatts of their Series 6 modules. They also launched their Series 7 modules in Arkansas, Arizona, and Mississippi. When we look at their facilities, the company completed a facility in India with a capacity of 3.4 gigawatts. They're also planning expansions in Ohio and Alabama, broadening their reach and capacity. On the policy front, First Solar expressed gratitude towards U.S. policies and maintains active engagement with the U.S. administration. They're positively reacting to the UYGHUR Forced Labor Protection Act and European policy developments. First Solar's commitment to sustainability, reflected in their Responsible Solar Initiative and aim for net zero emissions, is leading the way in the solar industry. Now, let's get into the financial details and what 2023 looks like for First Solar. The second quarter financial highlights reveal a company in robust health. Net sales were a substantial $811 million. The gross margin stood at an impressive 38%, with an operating income of $169 million. Earnings per share were $1.59. Turning to the balance sheet, we see a company with a solid foundation. Cash and equivalents stood at a comfortable $1.9 billion. Total debt was a manageable $437 million, leaving net cash at $1.5 billion. The company also boasted a secured credit facility of $1 billion. Looking to the future, 2023 promises steady revenue and earnings per share guidance. The year-end net cash forecast has been raised by $300 million. With a raised year-end net cash forecast, First Solar is ending 2023 on a strong note. To sum it all up, First Solar showcases robust growth and capability expansion, backed by a strong financial footing. They're spearheading innovation, effectively engaging with policy matters, and sticking steadfastly to their 2023 guidance. First Solar Inc., demonstrating growth and innovation while maintaining a strong financial stance, is indeed a company to watch in the stock world. For more information, the description is below to join a community of like-minded traders.
Arieous Invest. Trading reimagined.